Hi, this is Jacob from Bizylife. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up gamification in Odoo CRM. So first thing we're going to have to do is install the app from the App Store. So gamification, and you'll see CRM gamification right here. Okay, now we're going to have to set up the gamification rules. Now Odoo makes it so that these settings are hidden by default. You're not going to see them all the time. You're going to have to activate developer mode. To do that, you're going to press settings and activate the developer mode. Then you're going to go back to settings and you'll see this new menu that says gamification tools, and we'll press challenges. You'll see, so Odoo automatically creates a few challenges, and if we get rid of the search filter, you'll see that there are a couple other challenges that are not ongoing yet, but we can set up for our CRM. Some of these goals, just to clarify, are not related to the CRM. Like there's set up your company are goals that are created by Odoo automatically, but that's not necessarily related to the CRM app. There's a lot of there are other purposes for the gamification, and lots of ways that you can customize to gamify just about anything. But if we're going to do sales, then this is a really good template. So we click on one of these, and there's a challenge name, and there are different ways to assign the challenge to somebody, and an easy way of doing that. There are technical ways, and then there's also one of the easier ways is if you just do users, then you can enter somebody's name right here, and it will show that user. And then you can change this to any. So right now we'll just go and do all the users have monthly sales targets, and we'll choose leaderboard, group ranking. So when people get a report, they're going to see the group ranking of these people. We'll specify a start date when we want to begin these rules, say March 1st. And then we can set goal definitions. And so there's going to be a variety of different things. In this case, we have total invoiced. And we say that the target value to reach is $20,000 per month. And then we have to say, for every succeeding user, we want what's the message that's going to come up. And we're going to say brilliant. Okay, and then we'll say that the report frequency is weekly, and the template is simple challenge report progress. We can modify that right here. And this will say how far people are, and it will also show the rankings of who's doing the best. Okay, and when we're ready to start the challenge, then we'll press Start Challenge. There's a lot of ways to customize this, and if that's something that you are interested, then we can talk more about that.